how to fix if your Honor 90 or 90 Lite not receiving MMS messages. So to fix this issue, first of all check access point name settings. So to check these settings, open settings app. Now go to mobile network option and then tap on mobile data. Now here tap on access point names option and then here tap on the MMS option. Now from here check all the access point name settings. So if there is anything wrong here, then correct the information, and after correcting the information tap on this icon to save changes, and after that the MMS messages will start receiving. But if you are still facing the issue while receiving the MMS messages, then open settings, scroll down and here tap on apps and then again tap on this apps option. Now scroll down and here look for messages app. So open the messages app and then go to its storage. Now clear the app data and cache memory of messages app. So to clear the cache memory, so just simply tap on clear cache and cache memory will be cleared. And to clear the app data, tap on clear data and from the pop-up tap on delete to confirm. So after doing this, the MMS messages issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold this power button and then from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone it will fix the MMS issues. So that's how you can fix the MMS not receiving issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.